Hello, my name is Jesse Velasquez and I'm a senior at Denison High School, and this is my demonstrative speech. When you think of some popular breakfast items, which one is the first one to come to mind? For most, it's pancakes and waffles. The debate on which one is better has gone on for years, but me personally, I prefer waffles because of the fluffiness and how the grids hold syrup and give you a tasty bite every time. In this speech, I will go through how to make a delicious waffle. I will start off by showcasing the ingredients, the equipment, and materials to make a waffle, and then I will take you through the steps on how to make a waffle. First, I'll start off by showcasing the ingredients. Arguably, the most important piece of making a waffle is the waffle mix. Once you have the waffle mix, then you will need a mixing bowl, a measuring cup, a liquid measuring cup, a whisk, cooking spray, and finally, a waffle iron. So now I'll start off by measuring out 1.5 cups of the dry waffle mix. Once I have the dry mix into the mixing bowl, then I'll add roughly 1 cup of water. Now once the mixture is combined, it is now time to mix them together. The thing about the mixture is sometimes you might add a little bit of too much mixture and it might come out too clumpy and too thick. Or you might add too much water and it might come out too runny. It's important to trial and error and see what works best at whatever measurements you want for the amount of waffles you want. In this instance, this mixture should make about 2 to 3 waffles, but you can adjust to make more or less according to your liking. After mixing for some time, you want it to get to a nice, consistent, smooth batter. And once you get to that point, then it should be time to prepare your waffle maker and add the mixture to the waffle maker. I'll start off by plugging in the waffle maker and setting it to a medium to high heat. You can do low if you would like, but for this situation, I'll put it at medium. Now, to prevent the waffle mixture from sticking to the waffle iron, I will spray it with the cooking spray. You want to make sure to spray it in even, consistent streaks so that every part of the waffle gets coated and does not stick to the mixture, to the waffle maker. Now you go ahead and get the mixture. Scoop up about 1 cup or a little less than 1 cup and pour it into the waffle maker. Okay. Now that the mixture is in the waffle maker, you can go ahead and close the lid and make sure that your temperature is set and let the waffle maker do its magic. Some good things about the waffles is that you can add a lot of different ingredients to make them into different variations. People tend to put in chocolate chips, blueberries, or other type of ingredients to make them special and more delicious. Additionally, once the waffle is out of the waffle maker, then you can add whipped cream, butter, and syrup on top to make it just a bit more tastier. Another one too that I prefer and like going to is Nutella. So once the waffle is in the waffle maker and it comes out, it should look something like this. The next steps you can do is add your toppings, but in this case, I'll just be adding some syrup. And like previously mentioned, the grids hold in the syrup very good and give you a tasty bite every time. So that was my speech on how to make a waffle. In the speech, I showcased the ingredients. I took you through the steps to make one. And after doing that, I hope that I gave you the good push to go out, maybe buy a waffle maker or try any type of waffle so you can see how my video taught you. Thank you for watching the speech.